burning.
Are you burning?
I've got burn feet. I should have put my sunscreen on.
I'm going to take you for a walk now down along the top of the cliff.
Are you? Which? Where?
Just along this path.
Right.
To the woods.
Okay then, we'll go for a walk. We'll go to the woods. About ringing the church bell.
Who's this?
Prince Charles.
Yesterday at their church.
You're joking? Really?
It's in Wales.
It's got the oldest.
Whereabouts?
Llangern.
It's got one of the oldest yew trees in Britain.
Between Abergele and Llanthorst.
Right. What was he doing there then?
It was part of his Welsh tour, but we've got one of the oldest yew trees in Britain, and he's part of the patron of yew trees and stuff.
Is he?
Apparently.
He's Mr. Yew Tree.
Apparently.
So your yew tree is
So
over
we
1,000 years old, is it?
Over 4,000.
Be careful, don't go near.
It's one of the 4 oldest trees in
You
Britain.
don't mind?
Oh my goodness! So yeah.
Right,
So
4,000 years? By the time they dug it up, isn't it? Put a new one in.
Probably. Well, I tell you what, it's been hit by lightning, so it's got to.
Oh,
so you're
has it?
thinking. But yeah, so they got to.
You say BBC One now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, well, Ethan was gutted because
It might be YouTube, but I doubt if it'll make BBC One.
We filmed it for the news, and Ethan watched the news and said, "Oh, you wasn't on it."
Right,
I told you wouldn't be.
Welsh news, wasn't it?
Yeah, we watched it, but he wasn't.
Well, Tim didn't know if he'd like his first one, did you, dear? He said, oh, we'll give it a go and see how it gets on.
Yes, she picked 3 people from the town and to go and speak to him. I was one. And to go and attend the ceremony, I was one. It was really true. So they said you can go in your uniform or you can go in your own clothes.
Right.
We all decided to go in uniform. And for nights I was lying in bed thinking, if he stops and speaks to me, what will I say to him? So he does his bit and then he's walking around chatting to everybody. And he came up to me and I had a badge on here and it said staff midwife and my name. So he comes like this, has a look at the badge. Oh, he says, I see you're a midwife. Well, my brain went dead. Couldn't think of anything to say. Do you know what I said to him? Oh, that's right, I deliver babies. And he moved on to the next bit.
So where was this?
In Shrewsbury.
Shrewsbury.
Yeah.
Right. What year was that?
There's just so much that we can do whenever we like.
Probably 1978.
A while ago, isn't it?
I told you it was a long time ago.
Didn't think you were that old.
Yeah.
So was he in the area yesterday, Prince Charles?
Lady from a church by Abergele.
Ah, right.
He's something to do with yew trees, and in their churchyard they have a yew tree that's 4,000 years old. So he came to see this yew tree apparently, and he was chatting to the lady over there. Yeah. I can't remember. Yeah.
So I don't know you, I haven't seen you before.
No. No. Who am I? Who am I? We were just passing.
Right.
We just passing. We've been for a walk. And this lovely lady, I don't know who she is, just met her. She, you know, I'm walking and I'm saying, this is what life is about. Quality of life, enjoying good company, you know, nice, beautiful weather. And we walked a bit further and I said, look, they're having a barbecue, you know, they're having I said, I don't know whether they're selling them or what. I said, you want one? And she said, what's your name again? She said, she started hovering, you see. So I said, I'll go and ask him if, you know, we can buy. So he came in and he said, I said, yeah, selling the, you know, burgers. He said, no. He said, but I'll give you one. So we both had one.
Really nice as well.
Lovely, yeah.
We do it every year.
Right.